हाँ तो क्या हुआ भाई?
Hey guys, welcome to my birthday vlog. और हम आए हैं अभी holiday inn and it's a beautiful resort, a hotel in Andheri. So अभी मैं आपको room दे दूंगी. So this we have come here on occasion of my birthday. So basically it's a staycation. So being a Saturday, आज हम छुट्टी लेके और टुमारो मॉर्निंग वी विल एग्जिट. तो आज का प्लान काफ़ी कुछ किया हुआ है हमने एंड लेट्स सी वी हैव जस्ट कम डाउन हियर and there was also pre-birthday celebrations which I'm going to take you through. So post me coming from office, so I'm going to take you to that with lots of gifts and surprises. So here is a quick recap of my pre-birthday celebration. सो गाइज ये था मेरा बर्थडे का सेलिब्रेशन जो एक दिन पहले ही शुरू हो गया था विद बलून सरप्राइज गिफ्ट्स एंड विद my wonderful family who has planned for me, my son, my hubby, my mother-in-law, my sister-in-law. Thank you so much. So guys, I started my morning with relaxing yoga and थोड़ा सा self care with urban clap. As you can see, काफ़ी relax feel हो रहा था मुझे and since it was a chutti day for me, and post this we headed towards staycation in Andheri, which was planned by Sumit. Your time to shine, don't wait in line, vamos por toda. People will praise you. So guys, this is an amazing Atal Setu road which you can see. और यहाँ से हम within 1 hour कुछ 15 minutes में पहुँच गए Holiday Inn in Andheri. It was a very beautiful experience and also there was no traffic on the Atal Setu road. काफ़ी बढ़िया बनाया है. और ये पहुंच गए हम मेरा बर्थडे डेस्टिनेशन जो कि हॉलिडे इन मुंबई अंधेरी. एंड यहाँ का एम्बियंस, यहाँ का जो वाइब्स था काफ़ी पॉजिटिव था और काफ़ी मज़ा आया मुझे. यहाँ के बाद ऋषभ विल टेक ओवर एंड ही विल लेट यू नो फर्दर.
तो गाइस हम लोग हॉलीडे इन फाइनली पहुँच चुके हैं और अभी हम लोग होटल में चेक इन करने वाले हैं. तो अब हम जा रहे हैं हमारे रूम में. तो गाइस अभी हम जा रहे हैं फाइनली हम लोग 1.5 आवर ट्रैवल करके आए हैं मुंबई से अंधेरी. गाइस अंदर रूम सजाया है और हमारे रूम नंबर है 511.
Cake.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, mommy.
Thank you.
ये मजा आता है मामी है राजा में.
I'm going to walk you through to this entire room. I'm going to give it the room tour. Hi.
Welcome.
Here's Chotu. So as we entered, there is a washroom here on the left side. And they have decorated here with a towel. It's a quite spacious room, as you can see.
Guys, are you guys enjoying
There's
this?
also a bar out here.
Hello. Hello.
And this is the view from my room. Basically, this is on a main road near the metro station. And this is the washroom.
Vrindavan chale?
And this is a mic which my husband has gifted me on my birthday, as you can see here, as I am interested in vlogging. And this is what he has gifted me on my birthday, apart from the other gifts. This is one of the gifts that he has gifted me, as you can see. Already feeling pampered and blessed and waiting for more birthday fun in evening. Stay tuned with me and let's celebrate the birthday together. And also I'm going to reveal you my birthday dress tonight. There's a huge corridor here, as you can see behind me, and we are staying in 511, room number 511. So I'll just show you. It's a huge corridor and everyone is waiting here. We are going down for lunch. Guys, say hi, everyone. सो गाइज़, ये जगह जो है ये काफ़ी पीसफुल और स्पेशियस है और इसका डिज़ाइन जो है ये अमेजिंग है. सो आई जस्ट लव दिस प्लेस. और अब हम आ गए हैं नीचे फ्रेश होके और जा रहे हैं लंच पे बाहर. सो सच में स्टेकेशन वाइब्स ऑन पॉइंट है मेरे लिए आज का दिन. So as you can see guys, this resort is so pretty and it's so beautiful and it's amazing, and again the vibes are very much pretty out here. So I'm going to have fun tonight. So let's see. अभी हम जा रहे हैं lunch के लिए बाहर and just to check out something. Let's see what we can get to eat. What are you going to eat?
We'll have something in veg.
Okay. We'll have something in veg now and in non-veg maybe in the dinner. So as we have planned a dinner with Tunga International, huh?
Yeah.
And that's in
That's here in Andheri. So we have planned for seafood
seafood.
speciality in Tunga, hotel called Tunga here in Andheri. There we'll be going for the dinner. Now we'll just check out some local place for lunch.
That is fisherman.
Hmm?
What is that, fisherman?
That's something fishy.
Something fishy. So we are going to something fishy for dinner. So guys, we have come to Times Square in Andheri for lunch. यहाँ पे काफ़ी रेस्टोरेंट्स बने हुए हैं अंदर. So let's see, we'll find one of the best. So as we are planning to eat Chinese, we might visit a Chinese restaurant. So there are various restaurants here. I'll show you the buildings here. It's huge. So basically this is in Andheri, so there's Berlin Brew here. So if you book through Zomato, you also get good discounts. There's also Barbecue Nation here. There's also Bekal House. So there are varieties of restaurants here, and as I said, we have a good discount on Zomato, like 35% or 10% or 15%. So you can check and you can visit. So guys, this is A1 fast food. So here we get everything: veg sandwich, cheese sandwich, pav bhaji, dosa,
pani puri, safe puri, all type of chaats. So there are varieties of shops here for to eat. And ईस्ट में ऑपोजिट टाइम स्क्वायर. सो पहले हमने सोचा कि टाइम स्क्वायर में बहुत सारे रेस्टोरेंट्स थे, बट प्लान में थोड़ा चेंज बिकॉज since we are planning the dinner in Tunga, so we thought of having lunch here. कुछ चाट टाइप्स खा के and we can starve for night. So guys, post having lunch, we headed straight to the swimming pool in Holiday Inn Resort. As you can see, the kids are enjoying and to have more birthday fun and have chill vibes. So it's just me and mummy were sitting out as we had terrible cold this past 2-3 days, so we couldn't get into water. But you could see the children enjoying in the swimming pool here and having the birthday fun. So stay tuned with me. Let's see what the plan we have for the evening. Post the cake cutting. I'll take you there. So guys, you can see Rishabh swimming here. He swims very well and he's going to float now. Yay! Good job, Rishi. Very nice. He's enjoying the calm pool. He's enjoying the serene vibes out here.
Hi guys.
Towel is here. Go and take a towel.
क्या बोल रहे हो?
Towel.
मैंने मोटू को चश्मा दिया था.
Towel मेरे पास है ऋषभ.
अंदर से खींचो.
मोटी छोटी.
अब तो वो वाला मंगाने वाले थे, ये क्यों मंगाया?
वो नहीं आया था स्टॉक में.
फोटो खींचो.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sapna. Happy birthday to you. God bless you.
So यहाँ पे गाइज हमने तुंगा का प्लान जो है वो कैंसिल कर दिया बिकॉज़ पूरा दिन सब ट्रैवल करके थक गए थे. सो सोचा कि होटल की वाइब्स इंजॉय की जाए. सो वी डिसाइडेड टू स्टे इन होटल एंड हैव डिनर देयर. और मेरे लिए बेस्ट पार्ट ये था कि मुझे लगा कि बस दिन अभी और ख़त्म हो गया है और स्वीट नहीं हो सकता है. बट द बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ द सप्तमी पीपल फ्रॉम हॉलीडे इन दे सरप्राइज मी with a pastry and a cake in the room. So that was an amazing moment for me. And so this was a small celebration which we had on my birthday. Hope you guys have enjoyed my birthday along with me. And I'm really sorry that it has been delayed because I've been busy and I couldn't edit the video. So sorry guys, but I hope you would enjoy this video. Do watch the video till the end. And do stay connected guys.
Happy birthday to you.
Come on,
Hey guys, good morning. So, look at this mesmerizing view. So, today is the next day that we have been stayed here, as it was a staycation decided by Sumit and me and the family. So, on occasion of my birthday. So, ये आप देख पा रहे हो the mesmerizing view सुबह सुबह morning के. So, सुबह सुबह morning के बजे हैं 7 and you can see the beautiful view from the top roof here. It's in Andheri. So, as you also saw the beautiful sunrise. और आज यहाँ पे कुछ फंक्शन है, so they have decorated this very beautifully. So जैसे कि अभी शादी के सीजन्स चल रहे हैं, so they have decorated this place very beautifully out here. So as you can see. So post this हम नीचे चलेंगे बाद में ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए और मैं आपको लेके चलूँगी ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए यहाँ पे. So stay tuned with me guys. So we had lots of fun.
So अब हम नीचे आ गए हैं रेस्टोरेंट में और ये रेस्टोरेंट एरिया जो है ये ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए भी है और यहाँ पे काफ़ी वैरायटीज़ थी ब्रेकफास्ट की. सो ये ब्रेकफास्ट स्प्रेड देख के तो दिन बन गया. वेरी टेम्पटिंग. So guys, it was a beautiful stay in Holiday Inn in Andheri. So we had lots of fun. Did you enjoy it?
Michael.
Did you enjoy?
Yes.
Great.
Mike.
So it was a beautiful spend here for one night, and even the birthday celebration was amazing. So I couldn't have asked for more. So thank you so much, and I'm really feeling blessed, loved, and happy. Thank you. और बस एंड कर रहे हैं हम स्वीट spend at Saptami. So thank you so much for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe for more videos. Till then, bye bye guys.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.